Homework sheet 16 hints. First question, for what value k does the equation have equal roots? So we need to identify first of all what a, b and c are. A is a number before x squared, b is a number before x, and c is everything else. And the condition for equal roots is b squared minus 4ac is 0. So substituting these values into the formula will tell you the answer. Question 2, complete the square. Well, that should be fairly simple and straightforward. In fact, I'm not even going to tell you any more than that. Number 3, we have 3 points A, B and C that are collinear. So a little diagram, A, B and C. Prove that they're collinear, work out A to B, work out B to C, and there should be some connection between these two vectors. For the second part, you've got another point D, which has coordinates 1, negative 4 and 4. It's got to be perpendicular to AB, so work out DB. You've got your answer from AB up here. Just do the dot product between those, and since they're perpendicular, that's got to come out to be 0. Question 4, state the values of A and B. So if they state them, you should just be able to write them straight down. A, where does every log graph cross the x-axis? Don't mind telling you that, it's so simple. How are you going to work out B? Substitute B in for y, substitute A in for x. So B equals log to the base 2 of 8. Replace that 8 with, if I replace it all, so we have B equals log to the base 2 of 2 cubed. Bring the 3 down the front, that'll tell you what the value for B is. And then we have to draw y equals log to the base 2 of x plus 1 minus 3. So that means move it left 1 unit, move it down 3 units. Question 5, find the equation of straight line which is parallel to this one. So the first thing we must do is rewrite it as y equals mx plus c. That way we can get the gradient. We know the point it's to go through is 2, negative 1. Substituting the gradient in that point into y minus b gives us the answer. Question 6. Okay, let L be the amount of loan that's left. The loan next month is going to be all the loan of this month plus 1.5% of the loan. That's the interest payment less the £300 you pay. So you've got 100%, add 1.5%, work that out as a percentage, change it to a decimal, and then you can put that back in here to get your recurrence relation. For part B, you need to work out how much you had left after the first month, second month, third month, fourth month, and so on until he's paid off his loan. This is not a limit question. Do not do it like a limit. Question 7. We have a circle, x squared plus y squared equals 10. So we know the centre of the circle is 0, 0. We know the point on the edge that we're trying to find the gradient at is 1 minus 3. So we can work out the gradient of the radius. That'll tell us the gradient of the tangent. Use the point 1 minus 3 in that gradient, and you should get the answer in the question. For the second part of the question, substitute that line into the new circle formula, x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 8y minus 20 equals 0, and solve it to find one answer. And then use your distance formula for part C. Lastly, question 8, put the G into the F formula. So we're going to put that in here. So that gives us sine bracket x plus pi upon 4. Do your expansion for sine. So sine x cos pi upon 4 plus and so on. Now from your exact values, you should know what cos pi upon 4 is. And there'll be another one over here as well. If you tidy it all up, you should get the answer in the question. And that's us.